How to set up safeguards on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. First thing first, launch Telegram application on your device. Now simply open your channel on Telegram. Now tap on your channel name at top of your screen and then tap add members. Now tap the search bar at top of your screen and simply type in safeguard on your device. Then here you see the list of bot. Simply you need to choose the second one and then you need to tap the tick mark at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on add button and with that you need to long press on safeguard. Now select promote to admin and tap the tick button at top right corner of your screen. And then you have successfully promoted to admin. Now you simply need to come across this section and open your channel once again. Now tap on the message bar and you simply need to type in /setup. And here you can easily see set up your portal. Tap on it and now select on create a portal button and then you need to and then tap on the start button. Now from the section tap on select a group button at bottom of your screen and now you can create a new group for this or even select your existing groups and then select the tick mark at bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the same button. Now the setup has already been finalized and now Safeguard is now successfully set up on Telegram. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.